Explore the driver's list dashboard. The driver's list dashboard provides a ranked view of driver or vehicle performance based on safety and driving behavior. Switch between vehicle, driver, or location views to analyze performance from different perspectives. You can sort by vehicle, driver, or location. Select a time period to review recent activity or compare historical performance. Drivers or vehicles are ranked to help you quickly identify top performers and at-risk behavior. View an overall performance score as a percentage that reflects driving behavior during the selected period. See total miles driven to provide context for alert frequency and driver activity. Track moderate and max speeding events for each driver or vehicle. Monitor advanced safety events such as camera obstruction and tailgating. Click any column header to sort drivers and prioritize your review. You've completed your tour of the driver's list dashboard.